Good morning once again. My name is Muyizere Aristide. I am here as a statistician, demographer, and monitoring and evaluation technician at Horizon of Excellence. Today, we are going to focus on different topics which include how data can be used in monitoring and evaluation. So, a data software is one of the powerful tools which is widely used to monitor, evaluate, and evaluate different programs. So it is implemented in various sectors, including health, education, development, and other programs. So to evaluate the impact of that program, or to evaluate or to monitor the program, we can use the data software. Its capability in program data management, statistical analysis, and graphical representation make it a valuable asset for monitoring and evaluation professional. So this means that you, as a monitoring and evaluation professional or specialist, you are free to use the data software in your career. So today we are going to have different definition, like what does it mean in monitoring, you can read, and the meaning of evaluation, you can read. And our main concern today is data for monitoring and evaluation. You see that data can be used to handle different issues in program monitoring and evaluation. So it can help us to generate summary statistics so as to understand the program distribution. It can be used to identify trends of the program. Here we use graphs to identify the trends, and it can be used in data management, including importing, including cleaning and organizing, which is the first step of data management. And it can be used in analysis of the relationship between variables. It can be used also to assess the impact of a given program to the target population. So today, in different sessions that we will have, we shall focus on different those applications of data in monitoring and evaluation. But today, let's focus on how to generate a summary statistics to understand the program distributions. So to generate a summary statistic or summary statistics in program data, we use data command which is called summarize. And its result can be included the number of observation. You can get mean by using this command. You can get median, mode, variance, standard deviation, mean, minimum, and maximum. So then let's focus on each of these results that we can get here. You see that the mean is the first observation you can get during your summary, during generating summary statistics. So what is the application of mean in a program? Suppose that you are on field, you collect your data, you come in your office, you generate these summary statistics, and what can mean show you in analysis or in monitoring and evaluation of a program. Mean or average can be, which is a measure of central tendency. In statistics, we call it a measure of central tendency. It shows the path. It can be used in monitoring performance. For example, we can be interested in checking whether, for example, the learning training a program, you might be calculating the mini test score of the participant to assess the effectiveness. You can also have a resources allocation. You can be used in benchmarking. It can be used in identifying trends of a program or inequality control. So let us get some exercise on how to use data software in monitoring and evaluation of a given program. So from here, you see that we have a data software. This is an access toolbar. We have a file or data, edit, graphics, statistics, user, and windows. In statistics, you see that you can have different tables. You can have a different analysis tool that can be used in further analysis, which will be seen in the next sessions. You see that to import a data set, you come here, you click open, and if you click open, the data set will come here, and you choose. If you come here, you open, and you come here to choose a given. For example, you can choose a given data set like this, and you choose a data set which can be opened. And for my example, I open this data set which have 4 variables. So the first step is to understand your data set. You can browse your data set. You see that you get different variables and observation. The column is variable and the rows are observations. So after that, you can come here and you start to understand your data set. You first calculate, summarize. If you summarize your data, you see that you will get each variable with observation, mean, standard deviation, minimum, and maximum. This mean is what we call the average, in other words. And to get the average of one variable, you can write sum, and you take, for example, this variable transport cost after program. You see that you can get the mean of transport cost after a program was implemented. And you can come, you summarize, for example, transport cost before a program was implemented. And you see that before program was implemented, the mean was 6,165. And after a program was implemented, the mean becomes like that. And as a monitoring and evaluation specialist, you can try brainstorm that based on our program objective, the mean has decreased from this 6,165 up to 3,019. And you see that the program, suppose that the program was to build a manufacturing or a transport manufacture like a road or like a bridge. So the program has made an impact on the transport cost of the beneficiaries, like when they were using the load before the program was implemented. You see that at average their cost was 6,000 and something, and after the program was implemented or the project was implemented to build that bridge or to build the road, you see that their cost of transport has reduced at half. And this means that the program is progressing good, and you can decide that the program is impacting the life of a given beneficiaries. So, in other words, you can see I was saying that in resource allocation, by calculating the mean cost per participant or activity, the manager can make informed decision about resource allocation. And different other, you can see that different application of mean is many in monitoring and evaluation of program. So thank you for today. We shall see another application of mean by using stata software in the next session. Thank you. I love you.